whose slope 1 equal negative 2 over 3 and slope 2 equal k over 2, then they are parallel. Then we can write m1 will be equal m2, then we can write negative 2 over 3 equal k over 2, then k will be equal negative 4 over 3 because L1 was parallel to L2. They are parallel. Then slope 1 will be equal slope 2. Question number 2. If tan of angle x subtract by 10 equal root 3, then you want to find tan x. Okay, we can write tan of what equal root 3. We know tan 60 equal over root 3 because if we have right angle triangle 30 and 61 and 2 and root 3, tan 60 root 3 over 1, then this will be x minus 1, it will be equal 60, then x here will be 70. Okay, then x will be what? 70, the value of x. Next question number 3. If the area of triangle which vertex corresponding with this point here, subtract for x equal 112 and x equal 0 equal 0 equal. Okay, you want to find the area of triangle. This straight line 3x subtract 4x equal 12. We can find the area about this straight line cut two parts from x-axis and y-axis. Write this by using x over a plus we have the slope here will be negative coefficient of x over coefficient of y, then it will be increasing, okay, because slope will be equal negative coefficient of x over coefficient of y, these are to be 3 over 4, then it will be increased, and 3x minus 4x equal 12, we can divide it by 12, all results, the result will be x over 4 subtract by here x over 3 equal 1, cut 4 parts from x-axis, and here we have 4 sorry كده here it was y, okay, 4y over 3, cut 4 parts from x-axis, and it was slope here positive, it will be increasing, cut 4 parts from x-axis, 4 parts from x-axis, and the negative 3 here, the length here 3 lines in the point here, it will be 0 and negative 3. Then you want to find the area will be equal half times base times height, half times 4 times 3, because this side length will be 3, absolute value of negative 3 will be positive, times the base here 4, 3 times 4 12 divided by 2 equals 6 square centimeter or square units. Understood? The result will be what? 6. Question letter B. Find the equation of straight line which passes through the point here negative 1 and 3, and its slope is negative, cut two equal parts of two axes. Okay, cut two parts equality of two axes. We can write the equation y equal mx plus constant. It's the equation of straight line, and the slope cut two equal parts of two axes, it's meaning x equal y, such that 1 and 1. Okay, and then we can write the point here negative 1 and 3 belong to this side, this straight line, cut equal to parts passing through point negative 1 and 3. We have here negative 1 and 3, this point, and cut two parts equality from equality, this part equals this part, it's meaning the angles here about this slope, it will be what? 45. Then we can find the slope equal 10 45, it will be 1, then the slope here equal 1, then the equation y equal x plus constant, because m equal 1, m is the slope. Again, he tell us in the example the straight line cut two parts equality from two axis, x-axis and y-axis, it will be equal this, and this here 45 or 45, then y equal x plus constant here. and then we can put -1 and 3 pointing to a straight line here L. Then this point will be satisfies equation, right? Y equal 3 and x equal -1. Then constant will be equal 4. Then we can write the equation y equal mx. M here will be a1 times x plus constant here, it will be 4. Okay, the constant here was 4. Then the equation y equal x plus 4. Next question shows the correct answer. Number 1. ABCD is a rhombus. He give us point A and C, then the slope of AD, okay, or BD. We have rhombus. We have the properties of rhombus. Two diagonals are perpendicular. If we have here B, C, D, we know AC. Look at question number 1. ABCD rhombus. Point E, order here 3 and 3, and point C, order -3 and -3. You want to find the slope of BD. Okay, BD. We know two diagonals are perpendicular in rhombus. Is the slope of AC product by slope of DB, it will be equal -1. Then we can find the slope about AC. -3 minus 3 over -3 minus 3. -3 minus 3, -6. And -3 minus 3 to be -6, it will be 1. Okay. The slope here equal 1. Then slope of MD, it will be -1 because 1 times -1 equal -1. Then slope of DB equal -1. Okay. Question number 2. 1075 equal space. We have sine 75 over cosine 75. Okay, it shows letter D. Question number 3 is the equation of straight line passing through the point 5 and 3 and parallel to x-axis. Parallel to x-axis, it's meaning slope will be 0. If we write y equal mx as constant, then y equal c. The constant here, if we put this point in this equation, the constant it will be y. Then y equal 5. This equation of straight line passing the point 5 and 3 and parallel to x-axis. If you want to find the slope of it, it will be 0. Okay. Next question number B. In the opposite figure here, we have straight line cut two parts here. We have the point A and this point P. Okay, and they give us this point was 0 and 6, and they give us area of triangle equal 9 square units, and we want to find the length of AP, this side length. Okay, we know the area equal half times base times the height. Height here was 6, and the area he give us area equal 9. Then 9 equal half protected by OP, line segment OP. Or you can cancel this to write the length of OP, write OP, okay, times 6. 6 divided by 2, 3. 3 times what equal 9, 3 times 3, then OP equal 3 centimeter or 3 units. We have here 3 units. Then he want to find the length of AP. This side length, we can write AP equal from face up square root of 6 power 2 plus 3 power 2, 6 power 2, 36 plus 3 power 2 it will be 9. Square root of 36 plus 9 it will be 45. The result will be 3 root 5. Length unit. Okay. Next question. Find the value satisfies this. We have here equations. Okay, left hand side, right hand side. Find the value of x. We have x sine 45 cosine 45 tan 60 equal 10 power 2 equal here 10 power 2 of 45. Subtract cosine, square cosine about angle 60. We can solve this by right first triangle 1 and 1 and root 2, and here 45 and here equality 45, and we have here 30 and 60 1 and 2 and root 3. Then x product by sine 45 it will be opposite over hypotenuse 1 over root 3. We have here root 2, 1 and 1 and root 2, and 1 and 2 and root 3, about 60 and then 40. X product sine 45 it will be 1 over root 2. Product by cosine 45 1 over root 2. Product tan 60 it will be opposite over adjacent, it will be root 3 equal tan 45 it will be 1 power 2 it will be 1. Subtract by cosine 60 power 2, cosine 60 1 over 2 it will be power 2. We can cancel x here, root 3, root 2 times root 2 equal 2, and write 1 subtract by half, then x product by root 3 over 2, 1 minus half it will be half. We can cancel 2 by 2, then x will be 1 over root 3. The value of x will be 1 over root 3. Again, we have power here, 1 over 2 power 2 it will be 4, and x product root 3 over 2, 1 over 4 it will be 3 over 4, then x will be 3 over 4, product by the inverse about this fraction, 2 over root 3. We can cancel 2 by 2 and write 3 over 2 root 3, product by root 3 to simplest it, root 3 here by root 3 equal 3 by 3, this result will be root 3 over 2. The value of x will be root 3 over 2. Next question, find the equation of E of OC. We have here straight line here and triangle, this triangle, and C lines in the middle between two parts. We have AP, EC equal CP, and this point O. You want to find the equation of OC, this equation of this straight line. You must find the result here. It will be perpendicular, okay, because it's passing through the middle of the point here C, and here C lies in the middle of EP, and it tells us this equilateral triangle, this angle will be 60 and it will be 60, and this angle will be 30. Then we can find the slope equal tan 30. Tan 30 it will be 1 over 3, and then the slope will be slope of OC such that y equal mx plus constant here equal 0, then y equal 1 over root 3 x. Okay, next question, number 4. Prove that triangle ABC isosceles triangles, then find the area. Okay, we have E, B and C. E will be -1 and 4, and B 3 and 1, and C -5 and 1. You want to prove that this triangle was isosceles. We can write EP equal square root of x2 minus x1 power 2, 3 minus 1 it will be 4 power 2, and 1 minus 4 it will be negative 3 power 2. 16 plus 9, 25, square root of it will be 5 units, okay, 5 lines unit. And we can find PC. 3 minus 5 it will be 8 power 2, 1 minus 1 0, the result will be 8 lines unit. And CA we can find square root of negative 1 minus 5 it will be 4 power 2 16, and 4 minus 1 3 power 2 it will be 9, the result will be 5 lines unit. Then AP was equal CA, then this triangle will be isosceles. Then this triangle APC is an isosceles. Okay, and then he want to find the area about this triangle, and we know the area equal half times the base and height. AP equal EC, then you can draw side lines perpendicular to the base. This side lines we get CP here equal 8 lines unit, square root of them. We have the base here equal 8, CB, C and B, square root of negative 5 minus 3 it will be negative 8 power 2, and 1 minus 1 power 2 to 0, and the result will be 8 lemmas. Then we can write the area half times the base times the height, but at this point we put it here M. M lies in the middle between C and B. Put M here, the point lies between C and B. Then the order of point will be 3 plus negative 5 and 1. See here, negative 5 and 1. 3 plus negative 5, negative 2 divided by 1 it will be negative 1. 3 plus negative 5, negative 2 divided by 2, negative 1. 3, and here 1 plus 1, 2, 2 divided by 2 equal 1. It's order of the midpoint. In here lies between the middle. And then you can find the length of AM. Square root of negative 1 minus 1 it will be 0. And 4 minus 1, 3, 3 power 2, 9. Then the result will be 3 lines unit. Then the area will be half times CP times MA. CB here was 3 units, or the base was 8, and the height 3, then the result will be 12 square units or square units. It's the area about this triangle equal 12 square units. Next question, we have triangle and EE perpendicular to the base. We have here E and E, BC, and it was 10 centimeter. We want to find product between EB and cosine P plus EC product by cosine C. We can write EP product by cosine B, it will be adjacent over hypotenuse. We can write BE over AP, and we have here EC cosine C here adjacent over hypotenuse, CA over CE. We can cancel again. You have here cosine C adjacent over hypotenuse here EC. Again cosine C is angle adjacent CE over hypotenuse AC, and then we can cancel them. The result will be BE plus CE, BE plus CE. It will be what? It will be 10 centimeter. Next question. In triangle APC, right angle triangle at the point B, and he give us 10E plus 10C equal 25 over 12. Then you want to find tan power 2a plus tan power 2c. Then tan a plus c equal space. We can use this equation to solve it. Power it to left hand side and right hand side. We could put here power 2 and here power 2. The result here will be 10 power 2a plus 2 10 a dot 10 c plus 10 power 2c equal power 2 here. It will be 625 over 144, and we want to find 10 power 2a plus 10 power 2c equal what? We can write 625 over 144, subtract the sum of this boot here, move left hand side, to 10a and 10c, product between them, 10a and 10c, okay? And then you can write the result here. To simplify this, write 625 over 144 subtract 2, product 10a, it will be what? cp over ca, and 10c opposite over hypotenuse, right? ap over opposite over adjacent. Then you can cancel them with us here. The result will be 625 over 144 subtract by 2. Then you can find the difference, because the result here 1 times 2 equal 2. Then the difference between them, 625 divided over 625 or 144 subtract by 2. We can find the difference here. Okay, right here 144 and times 2 8 and 2. And then write 144, 5 minus 8 we can do it over 1, 15 minus 8 7, 1 minus 8 will do 5, and here 11 minus 8 will be 3, and rewrite 5. Result will be 537 over 144. Okay, it's the result about this example. You must use this rule here. Write this number, subtract by 2, this number power 2, minus 2. Next question, find the equation. Of CD. We have here a rectangle. Each of the sides are equal lengths. Here we have D and O and A 2 and 0 and B 4 and 6, and this point C. You want to find coordinate of C and D in the first step. Okay, look at steps here. This side length will be 2 side lengths here. It was 2. Okay, because this point 2 and 0, and we have right angle triangle, and this point give us point was D, point B 4 and 6, and right angle here too, and it was right angles. It will be equality. Each of sides are equal lengths, and give us 4 and 6 to point B. We can find the length of AP here. AP equal square root of 4 minus 2 equal 2 power 2 equal 4, 6 minus 0 equal 6 power 2 36. The result will be square root of 40. It will be 2 root 10. It will be 2 root 10 here, this side length. Okay, and this point was 4 and 6. Moved here from 2, this up here 4, and going up 6. If we draw here, it will be 6 units here. Quality, because we called it what? Rectangle, but it's not equality in all time. Okay, 6 only, it's not equality all the time. Okay, it was 4 and 6 here. This side length 4, because this side length was from O to this point 4 and 6, it will be 2. 2 plus 2 equal, okay, it was 4 and 6. 4 and 6 move 4 and up 6, then it will be 2 equal this part. 2 part is here equality, and it will be 2 here and here 6. We can find the length about EB. You want to find the coordinate about the point D and C. Okay, first step here we can draw this point lies in the middle between B and D, and this order of point D, it will be 0 and Y, and we have 4 and 6. You can find the length of this AB equal square root of 4 minus 2, 2 power 2 equal 4, and 6 minus 0, 6 power 2 36. The result will be square root of 40, it will be 2 root 10. Okay, this side is 2 root 10, it will be 2 root 10 here. And the order of point C, we can write here X and Y. Okay, and here 0 and Y up. This side length was 2, and ABCD rectangle, and we have properties about this triangle. This point will be 0 and Y1, and here X and Y, okay, and here 0 and 2. The length of EC equals the length of BA. We can write the square root of EC, x minus 2 power 2, x minus 2 power 2, and here y minus 0 power 2, it will be y power 2, equals side length here between P and the square root here. 4 minus 0 power 2, it will be 16, and 6 minus y all power 2. Two diagonal are equal or length. You can cancel root by root, and x minus 2 all power 2 plus y power 2 equals square root of here. But you can find this point here, M lies between C and A, and B and this lies point. This point lies between B and A in the middle, in this right angle triangle. Example here wrong. Okay, look at the example here. He give us B 6 and 4, and he write it here 4 and 6. Okay, I will solve it again because he write this order must write 6 and 4. He solved it wrong. Okay, again my students, you must change this point and write 6 and 4. I will solve it again, be attention with me. Okay, we have here, because this example we have wrong is example. He give us point B was 6 and 4, and he write it what 4 and 6 in the example, so the result will be false. Okay, we have right angle triangle. The length here 2 and 0 about this point, and here 6 and 4. Move here 6, 2 plus 4, then it will be quality. Then this angle will be 45, it will be 9, and this angle will be 45. Then it will be equality, it will be 2. Then the order here will be 0 and 2. Okay, because it will be equality, because this angle will be 40, and here 45, and here 45, and here 90. In the order about the point D, it will be 0 and 2. Exactly, in one step you can solve it. And the next step, you can find the order of point C here by find the middle point here, M lies between B and D. You can add the 6 plus 0 divided by 2 equal 3, and 4 plus 2, 6 divided by 2 equal 3. Then the point here 3 and 3. And the point C, it will be X and Y here lies between 2 and 0, and this point and this point. Then it's the middle of them. You can buy 3 and 3. The middle lies between C and this point here was A. We have here A, B, C, D. M is the midpoint between A and C. Then this point M will be equal X plus 2 divided by 2, and Y plus 0 divided by 2. It's very easy now. Okay, understood the false about this example? The false here 6 and 4, not 4 and 6, and then complete 3 equal x plus 2 over 2, then 6 equal x plus 2, then x here equal 4, and y plus 0 over 2, it will be y over 2 equals 3, then y here equals 6. Then the order of point C, it will be 4 and 6. Okay, understood? And then he want to find the equation of CD. This equation of this straight line CD, you can find the slope. You want to find the equation of straight line pattern through CD. We know C was what? We get the order of C by the middle, 3 and 3, equal 2 plus x over 2, and y plus 0 over 2. 2 times 3, 6, 6 minus 2 equal 4, 3 equal 2 plus x over 2, and 3 equal y over 2, then y equal 6, 6 equal 2 plus x, then x here equal 4, then the point here will be 4 and 6. The order of point C, 4 and 6. Okay, 4 and 6. Then you can find the equation of straight line DC. It was 4 and 6. Then we can find a slope of DC. 6 minus 2, here, okay, y2 minus y1, 6, 2 over x2 minus x1, 4. The result will be 6 minus 2, 4, 4 divided by 4, 1. Okay, the slope here, y equal mx plus constant, y equal 1 times x equal x plus constant. Here is this part 2. This is the equation of a straight line of CD.